Imagine this for a second. Someone suddenly asks you a question in English. A few years ago, your heart would start beating faster. Your mind would go blank. You would search for words that simply wouldn't come. But today, something strange happens. You understand every word, and when you open your mouth, the sentence comes out naturally. No translating, no fear, no hesitation. And in that moment, you realize something powerful. You didn't just learn English, you finally mastered it. And if you've ever struggled with English before, this moment will probably make you emotional because every language learner dreams of this exact day. Let's go back to the beginning. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you know exactly what I'm talking about. You've studied English for years, you watched videos, you memorized vocabulary, you learned grammar rules, you probably even understood most of what people were saying. But when it was time to speak, everything fell apart. Your brain suddenly became slow. You started translating every sentence in your head. Your mind would say something like, okay, first translate this word, then this one, then build the sentence. And by the time you finished thinking, the conversation had already moved on. It was frustrating, sometimes even embarrassing. Maybe you remember sitting in a classroom when the teacher asked a question in English. You knew the answer, you understood everything, but your hand stayed down. Not because you didn't know, but because you were afraid to speak. Afraid of making mistakes, afraid people would laugh, afraid your pronunciation wasn't good enough. So you stayed quiet. And that feeling, that silent frustration, is something millions of English learners experience every single day. At some point, almost every learner reaches a breaking point. Maybe it happened after years of studying, maybe after failing to express yourself in an important conversation, or maybe after realizing that someone who started learning English after you was already speaking better. And in that moment, you start thinking something dangerous. Maybe English just isn't for me. Maybe I'm not talented with languages. Maybe I'm too old to learn. Maybe I'll never become fluent. These thoughts slowly start to grow inside your mind, and many people stop learning right there. They accept that English will always feel difficult. But deep inside, they still wish things were different. But for some learners, something changes. Instead of quitting, they start doing something different. They stop chasing perfection, they stop worrying about grammar mistakes, and they start doing something much more powerful. They start using English in real life. Maybe it begins with small things, thinking about objects in English, speaking to themselves while walking, describing what they see around them. Simple sentences, simple words, simple ideas. At first, it feels strange, even awkward, but slowly, something starts to change. Your brain begins adapting. The translations become faster, then shorter, then suddenly, they disappear. And this is the moment when your brain starts thinking directly in English. Now imagine this moment. You're having a normal day, nothing special. Maybe you're watching a movie. Maybe you're talking to someone online. Maybe you're traveling. Then suddenly, someone starts speaking to you in English, and without thinking, you respond naturally. The conversation flows. You understand jokes. You share your opinions. You even laugh. And halfway through the conversation, you realize something shocking. You didn't translate anything, not a single word. Your brain just understood. And for a moment, you stop speaking because something incredible just happened. The language that once felt impossible now feels natural. And that's when it hits you. All those nights studying vocabulary, all those awkward conversations, all those mistakes, all those moments of doubt, they were never wasted. They were building something inside your brain, something invisible, something powerful, fluency. And suddenly you remember the person you used to be, the person who was too scared to speak, the person who thought they would never reach this point. And now, here you are, speaking confidently, understanding everything, expressing your ideas freely, not because you became perfect, but because you never stopped trying. Here's something most people don't realize. Mastering English doesn't happen in one dramatic moment. It happens slowly, quietly, one conversation at a time, one mistake at a time, one brave attempt at speaking. Fluency is not about knowing every word. It's about being comfortable with imperfection. Because even native speakers make mistakes. Even fluent speakers forget words. Language is about connection. It's about sharing ideas. And when you finally understand that, speaking becomes easier. If you're still struggling with English right now, if speaking still feels scary, if your brain still freezes in conversations, just remember this. Every fluent speaker you see today was once exactly where you are now. Confused, nervous, unsure of themselves. But they kept going. They kept practicing. They kept speaking even when it felt uncomfortable. And one day, maybe sooner than you think, you'll be in the middle of a conversation, speaking confidently, understanding everything, and suddenly you'll realize something beautiful. You're no longer learning English, you're living it. And that moment will make every struggle worth it.